I've done a video and I thought I'd better get on and do one today. So I want to do a foil tumbler. I know that there's been lots done before, but I've got some gorgeous foil that I wanted to try on this. And I actually started doing it without hitting record, so the cup is a little bit done, but that's okay. I'll go back over what I'm doing. So and if you hear a loud noise, it's just the rain. It's just been raining relentlessly here, and I feel like I need to actually build an ark very shortly, because that's how close we are to flooding. So anyway, while I can still do this, I will. So I'm going to point you down. So I've sanded and prepped my tumbler. I've started painting it, and the paint, I'm not actually spray painting these days. So the paint I'm using, and this is available on my website, this is Mint by Michelle. It's a mineral paint, and this one's called Woolen Jumper, and it's like a creamy white. So that's actually one coat. Let me just fix up this light. How's that? Is that better? Maybe not. That might be better. Yeah, so it's like a creamy white, so I'll keep painting it. Let me move that over there. I don't wipe the brush off, I just put it straight on. So you can see that it just goes on really, really nicely. And I'll do 2 coats of this before I do my glitter. All of my tumblers from Two Echidnas Tumblers and Blanks. I'll link the website below, and there's also going to be a little discount code there for you to use as well. So I'm just going to let this dry, and then I'll be right back to do the next coat. So that's one coat on there. So it's actually really good coverage with this one. Okay, going in with the second coat, and I'm actually going to use it as the base for as the glue for my glitter as well. So this is the foil that I'm going to be using, and it's called Cheetah Gold. Okay, so what I'll do now is I'll put a couple of coats of resin over this, and then I'll come back to apply the foil. Hello everybody, back again. So I've got 2 coats of resin on this cup, and I've also put the decal on here. So now I'm going to put the foil on, but I just wanted to show you, when I was putting the resin on the cup, I used one of our cup savers, and this is what I peeled off from around the rim of the cup saver. So this is the resin that would have gone inside the cup if I hadn't been using the cup saver. So that just sits in here like that, and the resin can't get into the cup. So I just thought I'd mention that. So I've got some nail foil glue that I bought, I don't know, I think it was on Amazon or eBay maybe even. And I just thought I'd just put some on around here and then just start putting the foil on. So we'll see how it goes. I'll put some music on while I do this, because, you know, it can get a bit tedious, and I might even speed it up a bit too. So that's the cup so far. I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom, and then I'm going to seal it and then put another coat of resin over the top. So I'm just waiting for the glue on the bottom to dry, and then I'll put some more on down the bottom. So that's it. So now I will seal it and put a coat of resin over it, and I'll post the cup at the end of the video. I did have to change what I was doing though. I ended up changing to tacky glue, and also changing the foil that I was using, because the other one for some reason didn't want to stick down.